Hello everybody, today we're going to be playing some more Bee Swarm and I got some rewards straight off the bat. And, well, yeah, I got some rewards, that's good. And I've noticed this little bumblebee is only level 3. Scratch that, now he's level 4. How much damage? Only 1. I'm going to feed some more treats here to Brave Bee, and then look at that. Search for a sunflower seed. Search for a sunflower seed. Honey storm. Hurry, get the ticket. Get the ticket! No, I wasn't fast enough. This is really helpful for me as a noob, because I am noob. Actually, this honey storm is really helpful. That gave me more than like 1,000, almost 2,000 honey, which is really good. Oh, wonderful! How long did that take? Each type of bee prefers a different special treat. Basic, bomber, looker, demo, commander, and ninja bee all have sunflower seeds the most. Feed one of them and they'll gain twice as much bond. Come talk to me again when you're ready for another lesson on caring for bees. Oh, look at that! 2,003 treats. 2 tickets. Okay. There are many different types of bees, you know. Each type has its own traits, abilities, and personality. One way to obtain bees of different types is to transform them with royal jelly. When you transform a bee, they retain their level and bond, but their other stats change. Why don't you give it a try? You can find royal jellies around the map. You can also receive them as rewards from Brown Bear's quests. But I'll give you one to get you started. Come back when you've raised 3 bees to level 4. Feed fed 15 treats to your bees and used 1 royal jelly. Okay, so I guess I have to use a royal jelly. That's annoying. Really annoying. Because who am I supposed to change? I don't know who I'm gonna change. Well, I guess I have to get an egg. I was gonna have the entire plot of this video different, but nope, I guess I'm gonna be doing some egg. Oof. I'm gonna go fight the commando chick. Oh yeah, well, we're getting there. Remember to subscribe, leave a like, and hit that bell for more videos, because we are close to our goal. Once we hit that goal, that'll be pretty cool. Because, well, this is, as you all know, my YouTube account, my first ever one. And, yeah, first ever YouTube account. And I want it to do well. If it doesn't do well, I'll be sad. A sad duck. Nobody likes sad ducks, because ducks are awesome. Ducks deserve to be happy. But right now, I'm a happy duck. Well, if I was a duck... Oh, dear. I almost just died there. Okay, how much health? 150 still? But now it's level 3. Oh wait, it was level 3 last time. Nothing really changed. It's annoying though. It's not even in the shell. Okay, now it is. No, Frosty Bee! It's going to sleep. Okay, kill the commander chick. Quick. What happened to my other bees? Did they leave too? I think they left too. Yeah, I'm soon doing damage, pretty good damage. But not as much as I hoped. Because all my other bees are gone. Yeah, I'm still only doing 1. I need my Brave Bee back. Oh yeah, do I have any badges? Oh no. Not too close to getting another badge. Okay, what are taking my other bees so long? kind of weird. But, oh well. Okay, so today we are gonna try to get more bees and level them up, get more collectors, and just do things I need to do. If I find a quest that takes like a while, I'm gonna tell y'all if I'm going to AFK, offline, out of video, grind it, but I might not. Okay, I killed it. Some good rewards, a lot of honey, a ticket, sunflower seeds, pineapples, bitter berries. Okay, I'm out of the boss arena. If y'all don't remember the secret from my second episode, well, I can't do it yet. It's the King Beetle. He's really tough. Well, at least for me. For a lot of you that play this game, probably not very tough at all. Like on my first account, not YouTube, but my actual account that I used to play Roblox on all the time, I can easily wreck it, but not on this account. I need that Brave Bee leveled up. Oh, I forgot, the bitter berries are good. I'm gonna save them. Does Brave Bee like a sunflower seed? No, pineapples. Yep, Brave Bee loves pineapples. No, I just need to feed him a few. And then some bitter berries. Boom. Now he had 5 attack. He still only has 5. I should feed this bitter berry to a different bee. You like sunflower seeds? Yep, basic bee loves sunflower seeds. Okay, I think I can buy another egg and then use royal jelly on it. Okay, yes, I can buy an egg. Usually hatches to basic bee. Well, these 2 bees weren't basic bees when they hatched, which is actually pretty crazy. Yo! Move. Hits hard. 3 damage, that's good. Especially for level 1. He looks like red. Gonna feed him a strawberry. Yep, he already leveled up. He's level 3. Dang. His attack didn't go up, but his bond definitely did. Frosty Bee. Bumblebee. Ooh, Frosty Bee's not very good. I'm gonna upgrade Bumblebee more. Okay, I'm doing way better. Wait, I need to go gather the honey from the jar, and then we can get to some grinding. Yes, I got 2,000 honey, and now it's time for a quest. Solo bamboo or red request. Well, I'm gonna use, oh wait, this isn't my good account. I'm gonna do solo bamboo, not solo bamb, red request. So I'm gonna go over here. Okay. Oh yeah, the ladybug. I forgot about the ladybug. Oh yay, gumdrop. Save gumdrops. I learned that on my first account. Always save your gumdrops. They are really helpful. And don't waste your tickets. Those are even more helpful than the gumdrops. And they can even buy gumdrops, which is helpful. Yes, the red bomb is good. I probably shouldn't go for the white bombs because I want to get the red pollen. Okay. Gather all these tokens. Yes, get the red ones. Oh dear, I'm lagging. Get all the tokens. No, oh man. Well, it did give me 85. That does nothing, but gives me an extra token. Really? Matapollen, Max Pollen. Okay, so now I'm going to convert it all, which I'll probably know. I made 61,000 honey, which is pretty crazy. And, oh look at that. The pollen went down quite a lot. Yeah, my bees are really good, but not as good as they can be. I'm gonna train them and train them. I wanna be the very best. I want them to be the very best, like no one ever was, to catch me from falling off a cliff. Why would I even fall off a cliff? Oh, why am I gathering this horrible field? Actually, it's pretty good, but why are we gathering? I'm not gonna go to the strawberry field. It's better, but I'm gonna stay on the mushroom field. It's probably still really essential for quests. Oh, yo, I got a gift. It's giving me strawberries. Festive blessing? Ooh, woo. That's good. Made it where every time I gathered pollen, it automatically converted, which helped me a lot on the red request. Number 2. Because apparently there was a number 1. I don't remember that, but it happened. From my experience, red bees tend to be feisty. Rascal bee is a little mischievous. It produces bombs that collect red pollen, and it's a good fighter too. Enraged bee is always upset and angry, but it's great for firing up your other bees in battle. Well, here's a reward told you over 8 more quests and the gold egg is yours. Okay, I got 2,500 honey, that's pretty good. Arachnophobia is a big word that means fear of spiders. I've probably got that. I do too. Then again, I'm afraid of most things. Hopefully you're braver than me. Like 6,000 pollen from the spider field. In real life, I actually have arachnophobia. If you have it, I feel bad for you because it's horrible. Because spiders are everywhere where I live, so it's horrible. Absolutely horrible. Yeah, mushroom field pollen, I'm gonna try to get that up. And I think I might be able to get another egg. But before we do that, a rascal bee. Seriously, they summoned a honey storm? I'm tending to my rascal. My little rascal. Oh, I'm lagging. Heavy lag. Okay. But I'm good. Well, I'm gonna be too late to get any honey. Yeah, and I just need a tiny bit more. Oof, so now it's cobweb sweeper, spider field. That's gonna be easy. Only 2 trips? Though the spider's gonna be hard. Oof. Oh. What? How did he hit me? No, I'm gonna get killed. Okay. magic bean. Honey, a ticket. And 33 pineapples! Yo, that's insane! Huh. Out of the cave. And I already have to go back. Okay. Well, that fight was pretty crazy, but look at that! So many pineapples! Wasn't it Brave Bee that likes pineapples? He's gonna be in for a treat. Or should I give him to my basic bee to make him overpowered? I'm gonna do it to the Brave Bee. He seems like a jolly fellow. Yep, he liked it. Okay, I'm gonna give the treats to basic bee. And I need to use one raw jelly. Can't really do that right now unless I get a basic bee from that egg that I'm gonna buy. But knowing my luck, I'm probably not gonna get a basic bee, which is just gonna be bad. Mondo chick. Is that like commando chick? Oh wait, yes it is. I've played this game a lot. Ha 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 ha. It's at the mountaintop. Can't go there. Too newbie. Okay, another egg. What is it gonna hatch this time? Please be a basic bee. Yes, a basic bee. Boom. Fire bee. It's a red epic. Yo, that's insane. He does 4 damage. He is good. I'm pretty lucky. I've never been this lucky on Bee Swarm Simulator in my life. I don't get why I'm so lucky now, but I'm not complaining at all. Fire Bee is good. Rage Bee is also good, but Fire Bee is really good because he gathers a lot really quick. It's not very fast, but he gathers a lot. And also, just wait for it. Does he not leave fire all the time? But occasionally he will leave fire. Look, Cop-Up Sweeper's already done. Yes, so good. Oh, bomb. Another bomb. Oh, Basic Bee leveled up. I didn't even have to feed him. Okay, my pollen container's full too. This is awesome. I'm doing awesome. Excellent. Huh? Which one? I bet I can't help him at all. Commander Armando. Yeah, vape bees. I wish I could help him with the boss, but I just can't. They said cool. Dang. Wow, you really are brave. What was fighting the spider like? Did you get bit? Actually, I don't think I want to know. Anyway, here's a reward to hold you over. 7 more quests and the gold egg is yours. That's pretty good. How about some leisurely gathering? Did you know down here where it's safe? Collect 3,000 pollen from the sunflower, dandelion, mushroom, and blue flower fields. Dang, that is pretty bonkers. I'll do the dandelion field first, which is going to be pretty easy. I'm gonna get a better backpack. That's what I'm gonna do. I just need it. Oh, the fire gathers pollen. Boom. Boom, boom. Look, the dandelion field's almost done. After this, I'm gonna check how crazy it is to get a better bag. Yeah, I got a treat. That part of the quest is done. Okay, now I'm gonna see what does it take to get a better bag. Okay, I have a bit of work to do. I'm gonna convert though. Oh, I need this done. Level up Fire Bee once at least. And then feed him a treat. Boom. Happy. Okay, now. I am gonna walk over to the sunflower field. I don't go there much. And then the mushroom blue flower. Feels like I've been going to the mushroom field a lot. It's just like I'm attached to mushrooms. Okay. Gather the pollen. Ooh, sunflower seed. I have 19 tickets. And I'm getting a lot of pollen. No. Ooh. Ooh, so that's a token link. Okay. So now I'm going to gather this. Get the bomb. Then go convert. And give my bees some seeds. Who do y'all think I should seed? Well, what does Exhausted be like? He doesn't like sunflowers as his favorites? Well, the basic bee loves them. Okay, basic bee. There. You happy? Not fully happy? Not really happy? Too bad. That's all I have. Boom. Bumblebee. Okay, I'm almost done with getting a bigger bag. I'm gonna go to the mushroom and then over there. Look at that. It's a moon sprout. I actually need moon charms. So boom, moon sprout and dandelion. And dandelion. Okay, that should attract people over here. So then I can get at least one moon charm. That's all I need for a helm. All I need. And so yeah. Hopefully some people come over so I can mooch. Well, not really mooch, but basically all I'm gonna be doing is mooch. But while the video's been going on for quite a bit, I may do a bit of grinding off cam. I'm not sure. Comment down below off cam if you want me to do off cam grinding. Otherwise, don't say anything. But I'm going to check. Yeah, we've been going on for 24 minutes. So I am going to feed this to the fire bee. Check the quest. And say goodbye. Bye.